probably something having to do financially with our apartment. And all I know is like I don't know, she started doing this little thing with like basically poking my head, and then I got annoyed, and then back and forth, back and forth.
With your client?
Yeah, sure.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. De La Rosa, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, we are, Your Honor.
Mr. De La Rosa, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
You're charged with assault, family, household, impeding breath of circulation. That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand it? Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent? Did you understand that to be the entirety of your plea?
Yes.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
There is an issue, Your Honor, with that. If we can go maybe off record real quick.
Yes.
So there was a $1,500 fine that I think Ms. Kuzin scratched out because she had asked me if I would agree to have it probated. I said I wouldn't have an objection if it was raised on the record, but I thought that.
Well, it's been scratched out, so for the court, it's not there.
Okay. I just wanted to make
Sure.
that aware. All right.
All right, we're back on the record. Is that the plea?
That is, Judge, but if that was inadvertent and maybe not, we didn't come to those, I don't have a problem with 1,500 probated or not addressing it at all, whatever. I don't want to feel like we push the state into that if they didn't willingly do that.
It's fine. I would assume Your Honor would more than likely probate it anyway. So
Yes. And so here's the thing about a fine. If I follow your agreement and give you deferred adjudication, if your deferred adjudication is revoked, you're looking at $10,000 fine. Do you understand? All right. Did everybody understand that to be the plea?
that is the plea. Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
I have not.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 4 years. There'd be 100 hours of community service restitution, the BIPP course, a TAP evaluation, and follow all recommendations. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. At this time, state offers into evidence State's Exhibit 1 to all attachments.
No objection, Your Honor.
All right. Did you, and state, have you had a chance to speak with the complainant?
We've attempted to, Your Honor.
All right. State your big excuse.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you? What was going on that night?
I was just out of anger, out of frustration, and I don't know. I'm a boy. I shouldn't be hitting girls. And
But I mean, anger and frustration about what?
that's the thing. Like between me and this person, every argument that every argument that ever occurred, like, was always about something little, about something that shouldn't matter. It's not something I am proud of. I think that me getting away from this person is the best choice made in this relationship because, I mean, nothing good ever came out of it. It was my first, like, we all have our first, and I think that I thought too much of it because of that. But I don't know. I regret it, and I really couldn't tell you why. It's something in the brain that I just don't understand. But I do know that I was wrong, And that's,
No, I mean, it's easy to understand that something is wrong. I'm trying to figure out, and your attorney can tell you this, I'm trying to figure out what conditions are appropriate for you. But I don't even understand how you go from you all are parked, and in the stipulation, she says she was dropping you off at your parents' house. And then the next thing you know, you're choking her, and somebody kept getting notifications on their Ring camera. And so they call the police. So how do we get to that point? She's just dropping you off at your parents' house, and it ends with you choking her.
she was, I'm pretty sure she was picking me up.
All right, so she's picking you up.
Yeah, so, and then, I think I don't remember a lot from that night. I was under the influence, like intoxicated, alcohol. I was drinking, and, I remember that, like, we were arguing about probably something having to do financially with our apartment. And, all I know is, like, I don't know, she started doing this little thing with, like, basically poking my head. And then I got annoyed, and then, back and forth, and then it just escalated. That's all.
Do you live by yourself?
No, right now I'm living with my mother. At the time, I was living with her and her child, which I'm not about.
Do you have any children?
No, man.
Are you employed?
About to be, but not right now.
Doing what?
I'm gonna be working in a hotel. It's my second job in a hotel. Probably in Austin. With my sister, she's like the general manager, so she offered me. This is the second time she offered me a job, or helped me get one. And it'll be in like the kitchen. Like I'm a waiter most of the time, so I'll probably be doing something like that.
And how far did you go in school?
To a high school diploma. I graduated.
And what are you planning on doing with the rest of your life?
The big question for me. I have no idea. I'm thinking trade, electrical. That's what I've been trying to get into. I went to this job fair a few months ago, and I gotta start. I gotta basically take a test to get myself. How do I say it? Like, into the school. Like I gotta take this test, and then I gotta it'll enroll me into the.
And when you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be? And you need to be honest.
Should be clean.
Should be.
Yeah. It was like the last time I drank like a week ago, but like I don't think that it would go that far. Like if I'm like I heard it was like.
Okay, I can barely understand what you're saying.
I know. I talk really low. It shouldn't go. I really should be clean in the last 72 hours. Maybe even what is it like 120 something hours now. I should be like I haven't done anything.
You're not allowed to drink alcohol while you're on probation. Do you understand?
Absolutely, yes.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. 5 years deferred adjudication, regular random UAs, regular reporting by Zoom or in person. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no contact with Juliana Freeman. The BIPP course, 100 hours of community service restitution. The court will deduct those hours if you obtain a certification in some type of trade. There's to be field visits 1 time per month until further notice. The BIPP course, TAP evaluation out of custody. With regards to where you're living now, who all lives there besides your mom and you?
It is me and my mom and my 2 sisters.
And how old are your sisters?
One of them is 17, about to turn 18, and then the other one is 24, 25.
All right. There's to be no residing in any household with minors until further notice. And the court is going to ask for the MRT. Probation, is there anything else?
Thank you.
Oh, thank you so much. Proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. All right, is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No.
Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, sir.
Because it's plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. Until you realize why you do what you do, you shouldn't be in any relationship with anyone. And the reason why I put the no residing in household with minors, because somebody's going to see you, they're going to say, great catch. They're going to move you in, because with the fighting that you're telling me that you and this complainant were doing, and she has a young child, and that's where y'all are saying that's not good for that child, because then that child is going to learn that's how you settle disputes. You understand?
Right.
So until you've completed the BIPP course, you're not allowed to reside in any household that has minors. You understand? All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.